Your doors are one of the most important features of your home. They provide security, enhance energy efficiency, and contribute to the overall style and curb appeal of your property. However, like other parts of your home, doors don't last forever. Over time, they can become damaged, outdated, and inefficient. If you live in Nampa and suspect your doors might need replacing, here are the key signs to look out for that indicate it's time for a door replacement. Visible damage or wear. One of the most obvious signs that it's time to replace your door is visible damage or deterioration. This can include cracks or splits. Wood doors are particularly prone to cracking and splitting, especially after years of exposure to Nampa's weather. Dents and warping. Damage caused by impacts or exposure to moisture can cause your door to warp or dent, affecting its fit and functionality. Peeling paint or finish. Worn finishes are not just cosmetic issues, they can leave your door vulnerable to moisture and weather damage. If your door shows any of these signs, it's not just an aesthetic issue. Damaged doors are less secure and less energy efficient, making replacement a smart investment. Drafts and air leaks. Have you noticed cold drafts sneaking in during Nampa's winter months or warm air entering during the summer? If so, your door may no longer be sealing properly. Over time, the weather stripping and door frame can wear down, creating gaps that allow air to pass through. Drafty doors force your heating and cooling systems to work harder, driving up your energy bills. Modern replacement doors come with insulated cores, better seals, and advanced weather stripping that improve energy efficiency and eliminate drafts. Difficulty opening or closing the door. Doors that stick, drag, or fail to close properly are a clear sign of underlying issues. This can happen for several reasons. Warping. Exposure to moisture and temperature changes can cause wood doors to warp, making them difficult to open or close. Misalignment. Shifting or settling in your home's foundation can cause the door frame to become misaligned. Hardware issues. Hinges, latches, or handles that are worn out or damaged can impact your door's functionality. A door that doesn't function smoothly is not only inconvenient but can also compromise your home's security. Replacing it with a new, properly fitted door can resolve these issues. Excess noise. If your front or interior doors do little to block outside noise, it may be time for an upgrade. Older doors, especially those made from thin materials, provide minimal sound insulation. Newer doors, particularly those made with solid cores or advanced materials, offer better soundproofing. This is especially beneficial if you live near busy streets, construction, or noisy neighbors. Moisture damage or mold. Doors exposed to moisture can experience rot, swelling, or even mold growth. This is particularly common for wooden doors in areas prone to rain, snow, or humidity, something Nampa residents know all too well. Moisture damage can weaken your door's structure, making it less secure and harder to use. If you notice signs of water damage or mold, replacing your door with a moisture-resistant option, such as fiberglass or steel, is a wise choice. Increased energy bills. An inefficient door can have a significant impact on your home's energy usage. If your energy bills are rising despite consistent usage, your door may be part of the problem. Older doors often lack proper insulation and allow heat to escape in the winter or enter during the summer. Energy-efficient replacement doors feature insulated cores, tight seals, and modern materials that keep your home comfortable and reduce energy costs. Look for Energy Star-rated doors for maximum efficiency. Outdated appearance. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. If your door is faded, outdated, or no longer matches your home's style, it can drag down your property's curb appeal. Replacing an outdated door with a modern, stylish option can completely transform your home's exterior. Choose from a variety of materials, finishes, and designs to enhance your home's look and make a great first impression. Security concerns. A door that's old, damaged, or flimsy can pose a serious security risk. Weak frames, broken locks, or worn-out materials make it easier for intruders to gain access to your home. Modern replacement doors are designed with security in mind. Options like steel doors, reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials provide enhanced protection and peace of mind for you and your family. Upgrade your Nampa home with a new door. If you've noticed any of these signs, it's time to consider replacing your door. A new door not only improves the look of your home but also enhances energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort. For Nampa homeowners, investing in a high-quality replacement door is a decision that offers long-term benefits. Consult with a professional door installation team to explore your options and ensure your new door is installed properly for lasting performance. Whether you're upgrading your front door, patio door, or interior doors, a replacement can make a significant difference in the beauty, functionality, and value of your home.